Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you one way to change your eye color on Photoshop. I have this photo of this girl right here and she has light brown eyes. With this technique you could change her eye color into any color you could think of. The first thing I'm going to do is just zoom in to the eyes and use a selection tool. I'm going to use the quick select tool and just zoom in a little more and click on the eye part that you want to change the color. So right now it's brown. And just keep adding to your selection until you get the entire part and remove anything that's not what we want to change. Do make sure that you remove those two areas of the eye that you don't want to change the color, because they do need to be black. So the next thing I'm going to do is come down to the layers tab and hit solid color. So that'll bring up a new layer, and so I'm going to change it to, for now, we'll do blue. Yeah, that's fine. And then from here it says normal. Obviously she looks insane, so we're going to bring the normal down to hue. And that's literally it. It changed her eye color. So from here, if that is too intense a blue, you can bring the opacity down, you can bring it up, and see it looks a little more realistic. But that's all up to you. And then if you want to change the color, you just double tap on the color here, press a different color, any color, see it starts changing, and you can see here the preview. Let's say I wanted a green, and I brought the opacity down a little because it's a little insane. And that's it. There you have it. That's how you change eye colors into any color in Photoshop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what other videos I can do for you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!